And just starting off with a shimmy. I like it. Oh yeah, we're going.
Okay.
I do the shimmy?
Yeah, you got the shimmy too. Hey everyone, welcome. I'm here with Tyler Searle.
Hey guys.
We are, start over. I'm joined here by Tyler Searle.
Hey guys.
He is running a beach bash. He is running the beach bash at the end of this year in October. I'm with Tyler here today so he can tell us all about the beach bash, and we're also going to show you the locations that we're headed to and just bits and pieces of what the adventure is going to look like.
Awesome. Thanks, Tina. I'm so stoked to have you guys here. It's going to be an amazing October. It's going to be October 22nd through the 25th right here in Fort Walton Beach, Florida on Oakley Island. We're going to be staying at the Island Resort on the island. It's a lot of fun. We've got 3 different room categories that are available for everyone.
Hold please. Beep.
There's 3 separate room categories for you guys to choose from. We've got a standard room, a pool view room, and a beachfront room. They're all super affordable. They actually start lower than our cruise did last year, which is super awesome. I think an $820 for a double occupancy in a standard room, $865 for a pool view room, and then $965 for a Gulf front. So it's gonna be great. We're gonna do Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. We're gonna start with the check-in on Friday, where we'll all just get together, party, and get to meet everyone. We're gonna cap the event at 120, and that includes awesome athletes like Tina and Eric, friends of ours that are also gonna be on the guest list, like Bobby Brown.
Heck yeah.
Should we say Cool Daddy Slick Breeze? Captain Cool Daddy Slick Breeze?
We're gonna have both.
Both. That one time in Mexico, he got a fancy Mexico hat too, so maybe we'll break that out for him. And lots of other cool guests that we're really close to announcing for you guys, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be great. So Friday night's check-in. Saturday is going to be disc golf day. One of the things that we heard on our cruise was we didn't do enough disc golf. And the cruise ship didn't really want us doing disc golf, but hey, we're not on a cruise ship.
Understandable.
So it's going to be cool. We have a local disc golfer that you guys are going to see here soon that has a food truck that's going to do breakfast and lunch for us at the course over at Ferry Park, one of our favorite courses here in town. Included in the disc golf is going to be a player pack for each round and a payout for each round, because we're gonna have a Sunday night fly marked.
Heck yeah.
It's gonna be awesome. And then Saturday night, it's gonna be fun. Chill, go to dinner, sit on the beach some more because...
Hang out in the grotto. One of the pools has this, they call it the grotto, right? So it's just this big old rock formation with waterfalls all over it and a swim up bar or a walk up bar if you're feeling like you're not swimming. But yeah, so that place alone is worth going to this resort.
I think so too.
I'm so excited.
It's so unique. What was that? Mojito, Mo problems?
Mo mojito, mo problems.
You can buy it by the bucket.
$20 buckets.
So, yeah, I think that sounds great.
So that's Saturday.
That's Saturday. Gonna be a lot of fun. And then Sunday,
we're getting boats.
boats. We're going on boats. 10 of them.
That many. Oh, well, no, just
You do some numbers. Oh, this way. 10 boats. 10 boats. We're here at Sunshine Pontoon Rental. It's gonna be amazing. All day Sunday, we're gonna be pontooning. We're gonna go snorkeling. If you bring your own snorkel stuff. We're gonna look at dolphins.
We saw one of those yesterday.
Yeah, we're gonna look at dolphins, and we're gonna go to Crab Island, the world famous Crab Island, and do some shelling.
Are we gonna fish at all?
If you bring a fishing pole.
All right.
There you go.
And your fishing license.
Yeah, that'd be good too.
We're literally taking every pontoon boat they have.
Hey, it's an armada.
Check this out. And Captain Tina, reporting for duty. Tyler said I couldn't drive one.
Yeah, you can. So the island, which is on the
Island.
yeah, is also really close to a lot of great restaurants. So we're going to be within walking distance to the boardwalk, which is amazing. We've got a great Mexican food restaurant there. We've got seafood restaurants. You'll be able to go parasailing. There's beach volleyball right there within walking distance. We've got a national park within walking distance. It's an absolutely awesome location for us to have this event. We're going to be less than 10 minutes from the disc golf course and less than 10 minutes from Destin. So deep sea fishing, parasailing, jet skis.
So many opportunities.
So many opportunities
Make
for fun
it
activities.
whatever you want to do.
Yep. And I'll bring a bunch of my paddle boards. So if you want a paddle board, I'll bring paddle boards. We'll have a lot of fun. Absolutely. No problem.
Those of you that haven't seen our cruise videos, I would suggest that you go watch some of those. Bobby Brown has one on the Dynamic Disc channel, maybe
Yep.
2.
I think so.
I think we did 2 as well.
Maybe
That's
started-
just
yeah.
a sneak preview of what this event's going to be like, except I feel like there's going to be a little bit more flexibility because we're on land. But it'll definitely be different. But man, if you want to see a good time, first of all, go watch those videos just to get you hyped. And then second of all, come on this awesome trip with us.
Yep, it's absolutely awesome. So I will be representing our group as the travel agent. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me. My email is tylersearle@travelnation.net. Or if you know me on socials, which we probably do because we're all disc golf family.
We'll put them in here too.
Yeah, you can catch me on any of the socials and we'll work it out from there. So absolutely love you guys. Can't wait to see you here on the beach.
Yeah, we're so excited.
So excited.
Damn it!
My left hand!